Okay guys, so we're in the train. It's gonna take like 20 minutes for it to start. Here are they, who's going. Here are some others and here are the rest. Here's Mohib. And the ones that are outside cannot come in because they have to finish their ice cream. So we'll see you guys when we're gonna start going. Okay guys, me and Harun, Mohib is in.
Bro, what the hell is that guy?
There's some random kids. And there's so many more. Okay guys, the train is starting to move.
Yeah, it's so fun. I'm joking, it's
Here are the guests. Here's the captain. Captain boss, whoever he is. And here we are, we're starting to go.
Look at that car. Look at that car.
Yeah.
And look at the smoke.
There's some other people there chilling.
Look at the smoke.
I know. Guys, this is so fun. It's actually so fun. I'm popping.
It's going well. Guys, look at that deer.
Look at them.
Oh my god, so cute deers.
These deers. They look so amazing. Train's going very quick.
Yeah, exactly. Your mom said don't complain.
It's super fun.
Look at the back wheel.
Look here.
We are having so fun.
This train is so... Guys, look how bumpy the train is. Oh my god, it's so bumpy. Harun, how is it? What? Kids enjoy. Oh! Guys, there is more deers. Look at all of these deers. Guys, look, I'm outside standing here. The door is inside, but I'm outside. Salman! Salman, look out!
Should I help you?
Salman! Hey, Salman is here. Here's the captain and some other people to look and see if they have tickets. Here is Mohib, Salman and everyone. Guys, the train is starting to move. I have to be extra careful so my phone doesn't fall. Woo! There's so much smoke.
It's funner than the other one.
Oh, from smoking. Holy. Guys, look at the outside. You can see the train. Look at that. It's starting to turn. Mohib, everyone, look at this place. Guys, look at that. You guys can, maybe, I don't know if you guys can see the smoke, but you can see that the train has smoke in it, and it has so much smell. I think this is the place where they're gonna turn. Look at that smoke coming up, and it's so strong smell. Guys, I came out of the train because right now they're starting to turn. The weather is super... I don't know. I don't think you guys can see it, but there, it's the train, and now it's starting to turn. So guys, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back, and then we're gonna go to another place. I'll see you guys then when the train starts to move and hear all the people.
ट्रेन उस पे आधी आगे है।
अच्छा वो हाजी साहब कह रहे हैं जान दे
Guys, the train is coming. You can see that it's solo train. It's gonna turn back, and from there it's gonna go here, and then it's gonna stick. Watch this. The train. Guys, this train's gonna turn here, and it's gonna I don't know how, but it's gonna figure out a way so it can stick here. Let's see how they do it. Guys, you can see that person, he's fixing a way so it works. The train's gonna go to another place, and then it's gonna like rotate. Watch. When that guy fixed it, now the train went to that place, and now they're gonna, I think, figure out how it's gonna, I don't know how, because this is my first time coming here. Guys, that's the captain who drives the train. He just gave us a water bottle which Harun lost, which Harun dropped. This guy helped us find it. Whoa, Mohib, what you gonna do? Guys, the train is coming. Oh, you see that? Now watch how he's gonna do. So they're gonna stick it in. Like that. And now they're gonna chain it. You see, they're chaining it now, so now it will go backwards, and then we're going to go back to the place. And now we're going to go back. Guys, one more train came. I don't know why. This came out of nowhere. Guys, the train is starting. Here we are with some people. Okay guys, so we're gonna have a picnic, and here's some we're gonna have a picnic, and we're gonna eat some snacks. We're just waiting for all the others that are here. They're coming, and yes, look how much food we all have. Look at this, we got pizzas, pakoras, sandwiches, so much, and everyone's eating. How is it?
So good.
Okay guys, so we have finished eating, and it's time to end the vlog, I think. And he's gonna have a sleepover with us. And yeah, and here are these two. So we're gonna end the vlog. So say, so guys, peace out. We're going.
Hello, it's Habibi.
Bye, Allah Hafiz.